my birthplace Manipur is surrounded by lush green mountains and alluring atmosphere. But unfortunately, our indigenous lands and rights are grabbed by land mafias and non-indigenous people in my state, Manipur. The latest example is the ongoing communal violence in Manipur between indigenous Meitei us and non-indigenous Kuki people. This ongoing violence in Manipur is fueled by our politicians, and the innocent people are paying the price of it. You see, massive deforestation is carried out currently by those illegal Kukis in Manipur to plant poppy drug plants. Not just destroying the lives of those innocent people by drugs, it also caused the worst climate crisis in Manipur. And you can see that most of the rich biodiversity hotspots in Manipur are becoming climate hotspots now. People living in the valley do not even have the drinking water to buy due to severe droughts as a result of massive deforestation in the hills. Most of our crops are washed away by severe flash floods every single year. 75% of our rivers and lakes are now dry and dead. The lush and green mountains are becoming deserts now. And many girl children are out of school to fetch water from a very long distance. So this is real climate emergency in Manipur.